Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Look, hindi okay yung labas. Madilim at stormy sa labas. Kuha lang tayo ng, I'm going to harvest the green onion. Yan, nakalo eh. Lumaki na yun sila talaga. Ito yung i-harvest natin. Ito siya. Okay. Some of the leaves. Ito, pinuto ko talaga lahat kakalokan. Ayan. Nasayahan ako sa guys. Nasayahan ako sa bok choy. Ito din itong zucchini natin. Look. Diba? Lumaki din siya. At saka hindi ko na na-transfer. Lumaki na din. Ayan. Lobat na pala itong GoPro ko guys. Kaya magka tayo ng green onion. Hugasan ko lang po siya.
You have no idea, Angelina Jolie doesn't even come close.
Good morning guys. We're talking about Lucy. I love
Lucille
Lucy.
Ball.
I love Lucy show. I don't know if you hear that, but it's big thing here. Black and white guys. That means it's 19 Forgotten show. My husband like it. It's just, and he said she's the wealthiest.
Well, not the wealthiest because she had made that kind of money back then. Done more stuff than any other female actress. And the only one who's come closer is probably Betty White. In mine, Angelina Jolie. Are you freaking kidding?
He's naked. If you can see a reflection on the window, look hard. He's so cute. He's a monkey to me. He's a white monkey. He is my white monkey, guys. May story ako sa inyo, guys, ba? Noong una namin kita, guys, talaga, guys. Shock na shock talaga. Shock na shock talaga ako, guys. Hinubad niya yung damit niya, yung sa ibabaw. Sabi ko, oh my, good night. Good night. May monkey nakabuhi. Nakabuhi yung monkey sa bukirin. Napunta sa New York. Napunta. Ang monkey galing sa bukirin ng Pilipinas, napunta sa New York. Si Tommy yun. Sobrang kapal ng buhok sa likod, sa harap. Grabe naman itong buhok na to. Ano ba yan? Sabi ng inan niya, nagmana daw siya sa ama. Yes, I think yung ama niya is sobrang worse. I think your father is worse, right? He's the father of all monkeys. Ay, naku, his father is very Italian, guys. It's a pure Italian. Oh, no, he's not. He's mixed, right? Okay, he's pure Italian. Natuin ko lang itong egg, guys, kasi itong bread, bago yung egg. Kasi gusto ko itong, madali lang man yung egg kasi. Mama's going upstairs and you are not going with me. You stay down there, okay? You stay down there. I will be right back. I will be right back. You stay there. Gustong pumasok. You stay there. Uy, Dada's there. Call her, Han. Dalawa na sila, guys. You guys stay there, okay? Stay there, Hobbs. Stay there. 3 of them now, 3. Okay, punta lang ako sa taas para Hey, Hobbs! Pumasok talaga si Hobbs. Magfo-fold ng laundry. Kailangan ko lang i-fold kasi ang dami kong doon sa nilabhan. Dry na pala siya. Ito palagi akong sinasamahan, guys. Look. Palaging kasama ko yan. Naglalaro pa kami dito bago ko, nilalaro. Nakipaglaro man ito. So, kipaglaro man, look. Oh, parang bata talaga. Tignan nyo, guys. Parang bata man ito. Aray! Don't use your nails, baby. Don't use your nails. Love you, Mano. Mama doesn't wanna hurt you. I love you. I love you, Mano. I love you. Tudu. Hi, guys. Ito na naman tayo. More laundry to fold. Dami. Dito tayo sa, punta lang ako sa guys, sa attic. Magpunta tayo dito kasi gusto kong i-arrange yung mga gamit dito. Ito po yung attic ngayon. Ang dami pong boxes dito hanggang doon. Ipa-file ko lang sila dito. Nilinis ko na. And hindi ko doon sila ipa-file kasi wala. May area pa doon na walang floor. Yung pinakadulo dito meron namang floor. So ang daming boxes. So itong mga loosened stuff ilagay ko sa boxes. Fast forward mo. Guys, tapos na ako sa taas and sobrang init. Ay, pinaningot ako ng maraming singot pa. So ngayon, tinapon ko yung bag na bigay ni yung lalaki. Yung lalaki talaga. Yung iniwan ko kasi iniwan ako, charot. Yan, itapon ko yan. Itapon ko na yan. Hindi lang dahil sa kanya yan, binigay niya sa akin nung lumayas ako, yung iniwan ko siya. So wala kasi akong bag. So yun, gisi na siya o rep na. Gisi na, and then sobrang dumi. So yun, tinapon ko na. Ito, iwawash ko. I'm going to pasiritan ko lang yan. Kasi dumi, yan sa Magic Sing na bag. Sobrang dumi. So, yun. Tapos na ako sa taas, guys. Kaso lang, sobrang init. Pinatay ko na kayo. Ang init talaga. Pinatay ko ng camera kasi sobrang init doon. Ayun, yung buhok ko. Yung bangs ko is maganda yung posisyon. Maganda pala kapag mainit. Yung posisyon ng bangs nagbabago. Bumalik yung bangs ko, guys. Kanaka. Binalik ka na. Bumalik siya kahit anong ko. Bumalik talaga. Something weird in the house.
I'm telling you, remember?
In your Rochelle house, guys.
It has a channel, so
Yeah. You see that light?
I know.
That's very bizarre.
That's a bug.
That's not a bug.
Yes. Yes, you do.
It's just a light, hon. It's a bug flying.
It's just a light, but the light's off. There's no light in the house. There's no light at all. The only thing you're seeing here is the infrared from the camera.
There is a bug flying.
That's not a bug. Sorry, that's not a bug. It disappears into the thing.
Okay, last night, guys, I want him to prove because he kept telling me I'm snoring every night. I snore.
And last night was not your loudest.
Last night, he recorded. I said,
Because
prove
you told me
me.
I gotta record it.
Prove it to me that I snore. So listen to this.
And then, when I prove it to her, she goes, that's not me.
Okay, go ahead. I can't believe na umi-snore talaga ako, guys. Akala ko quiet sleeper ako. I really thought I quiet. Or maybe that's the cat you do it.
Cat wasn't even in the room.
Oh my God, humihilik pala ako.
Oh, you're right. I did call Rich because he texted me.
Nilaghan ko siya. Ito yung sa karaoke na ano, na bag. Diyan lang siya.
They heat it and they skim off the fat off the top. And this way it's just like a very clear, liquidy.
Dagdagan ko ata ito ng soil, guys. Kasi kulang siya. Kailangan kong dagdagan. Yan. Kailangan dito. Pag tumaas na ito, dagdagan ko na lang. Look, oh, nasisira. Bago pa naman siya.
Right.
I think kailangan ko siyang i-move ng ano, container. Look, oh, namatay siya. Oh, sayang naman. Matagal na to ba? Ito naman, lumalaki ng lumalaki. Look. Tignan mo. Namatay din yung iba. Look, oh. But look, guys, this tree, guys, is so pretty. But I noticed, and Tammy also noticed that the leaves, there's a lot of dark, the whole leaves, all the leaves, it's like dark spots, like black spots. Pakita ko nga sa inyo, guys, ha. Lumalaki na talaga sila, guys, oh. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung problema, guys. Look. Lahat ng dahon, sabi ko, nung nag-cut ako ng grass, sabi ko, bakit anyari sa dahon? Lahat ng dahon, look, ganito. Ito, magkaano to, lahat talaga, look. Look, tignan mo to. No, mga itim-itim. Hindi ito, maganda ito, guys. Wala talaga itong itim-itim noon, look. Ito, lahat talaga siya. Yung isa din, ganun din. Yun yung bed feeder namin, guys. Hindi pa nilagyan ni Tammy, look. Ang ginaw ng bahay, ginoo ko, tabangi ko. Aalis sana ako, diba? Tumawag yung matanda. Yung biyana ng kapatid ni Tammy, yung pinuntahan namin na nilagyan namin ng ano, air conditioning, nagpalagay siya ng air conditioning sa bahay niya, sa bedroom, sa bahay niya. So, tumawag siya, and then, pagkatapos niyang tumawag, sabi niya, magpunta daw kami sa kanila. Sabi ko, bakit naman magpunta? Sabi ko, I know, we still have it. Bakit magpunta tayo doon? Anong meron? Sabi niya, bumili daw siya ng pagkain para sa amin. Para sa kanya, sa kami, sa akin. Puntahan lang namin siya. Kunin daw namin. So, puntahan na lang namin. Sayang naman kung hindi namin kunin. Baka anong masabi. Naggumastos pa siya. Naman, kakain lang kami. And then, maligo siya para alis kami. Right, Han?
What?
Right?
I have no idea what you said.
Yun. Sarap ng ano, guys. Tinula, guys. As in. Sarap ng tinula. Tinulang manok. Wala naman masyadong ano, sabaw. Yan nyo, guys. Ininit ko yun. Ang sarap nito, guys. Ang sarap. Yun. Ang bango. Ang bango talaga ng tinula. Uy. And kakain tayo ng mango. Ito yung rice. Fried rice. Galing sa yung frozen. And ito yung dipping sauce ko. Yan. Ito lang yung lunch namin. Tapos na si Tammy sa kanya.
It does this bullshit with the 2-3. Oh, won't do it.
I'm joking. You won't do it. I told you. It's just in the phone. I wish I smoke. That I don't have to bitch about it. I always bitching about smoking. I'm already coughing. Yeah, I'll do it on the phone. Let's go. So, puntahan namin siya para kunin yung binili niya para sa amin. So, tignan natin kung ano yung binili niya. Pagkain daw pagkain. So, it's back to normal. Everything is open. Well, actually, it's not everything, but it's like opening already. Ay. Nako. Ay.
Why is your phone not charging?
Huh?
Your phone's not charging.
Okay, brush your hair first before we're paalis na kami. Madali lang kami dito kasi ano, hold on. Okay, go. Madali lang kami dito, may bisita kasi siya. She has is that to help her to do all the cleaning?
Nope.
Well, binili pa na niya sa amin, ang in-order pala niya is lobster. Dalawang lobster at saka she added shrimp. There is shrimp with it.
Is it really?
Yeah. So we have to quick, okay? That's gonna get like the shrimp is frozen.
So it's fine.
Yeah, so
We thought that one.
we have sofrito.
You sure?
Whatever.
I don't know. I'm saying, you sure? Because I don't want to have to run out that.
People are coming.
Yeah.
They're flying, honey. They're flying. So, what you doing about it?
Oh, but she said, oh, I was going to have Brittany bring down laundry, but you're here, I'll be bringing down. That's fine. Well, this way says that Brittany up and down twice, she has to get out of the laundry and dry or something. So I said, I haven't had to do twice. Pregnant, I said, I'm not there.
Seriously? Well, it's like freaking up and down. Seriously? It's a exercise. Huh?
Maybe they don't have an atom over here. Like an atom, what you can do for those trees. Gotta be something that you can put down that'll help the tree kill the fungus. Gotta be something. There's something you can do for that tree. I don't believe that cut the fucking tree down, crap. Those trees.
Alright guys, alis kami guys. Magpunta lang kami sa grocery store. Meron lang kami i-pick up and I think I'm not going to bring you with me. I don't know. I think I will because the car is really hot. So I don't have a choice. I have to bring you. What's this? Do you want stuff for this? No, for French toast.
I know it's for.
Sammy's favorite bread, guys. Ito yung favorito niya. There's another one here, but this is the hard one. Sardines? No, I like my sardines with my bread. No, hold on. Go. No, that's different from.
You try them.
No, look.
In hot tomato sauce.
No, let's go. Nakakatakot mag-vlog dito, guys. Kasi alam niyo na mga tao dito. Ito pa yung inano namin. Binili. Wala akong mahanap na coconut milk, guys. Naghanap kami. Wala naman dito din. Tapos na kami, guys. Done. Ito lang yung nabili namin. Konti lang. Chicken. Ito yung ano nila, oh. Coconut milk nila. Kakaiba. Tapos na, guys. Alis na kami, look. My husband is pinning the neck.
It's not fiberglass like a Corvette, which you crack so you can get
Sexy
actually
car,
bounce it
guys.
back.
That's an old.
Not expensive. You see how nice the car? What shape is it?
Yeah, I would love to have one of that. Just that. How pretty is that?
Yeah, I hated it.
So ito yung mga binili ni Tammy. Sofritos, tostitos, pakintos, tomato sauce, more hand sanitizer, and what is this, honey? Chickpeas, coconut milk, and what is this?
Black olives for salad.
Black olives for salad, and chickpeas, more coconut milk. I got 3 of these, and also chicken, and we got bread for toast, you know, breakfast bread. And Tammy's favorite bread. It's good that they carry this bread up here, honey. This bread is made from Bronx. Bronx is their bread city. And salad. And onion garlic. Yan lang. Yan, bumili na naman siya. Another garlic thing bag. Ito yung binigay niya, guys. Look. I will show you. It's a real big lobster, guys. Look. Look, guys. Dalawa talaga, guys. Nag-iisa daw kami ni Tammy, sabi niya. Pinaluto pa niya sa... Where did she order this?
Red Lobster.
Red Lobster Restaurant. Look. Imukbang natin yan, guys. Imukbang. Magluto tayo mamayang gabi na ng budbud para bukas ng umaga meron tayong snack with coffee. Naka-lobster tayo, guys. Matagal kami naka-lobster pa doon pa sa isang bahay noong buhay pa si Bina, nung matagal na nung doon pa ako. Pwede palang mag-order sa Red Lobster ng ganito, no? Yung lobster lang talaga. And then, ipa-boil mo sa kanila. And pwede mo sabihin na, ipa-crack. Yung ganyan. I-crack na muna ba para hindi ka na mahirapan. Yan. Ito, oh, Cajun seasoning. And then, paminta. Okay lang siya lagyan ng, kapag wala siyang shell, ano, dahan-dahan sa seasoning kasi doon talaga yun sumusuhok. Ito kasi meron siyang shell, so yung seasoning is nandun sa labas, so kailangan ko siyang isok muna, ilagay sa refrigerator. Yan siya Cajun seasoning. Mamaya natapos na yung rice ko, guys. Yan, tapos na siya. Meron na tayong rice.
So, Sylvain, you took everything.
Iyan ako tong shrimp.
Oh, you.
Mag-ano po ako ng i-ano ko lang tong lime. Sabi pa ninyo noong ano, pag-squeeze para easy squeeze, i-roll-roll daw. Ligid-ligiron daw ito muna bago ito i-ano, piga-pigain. Ganun pala yung ano, techniques. Hindi naman ako para technique. So, yung ano natin sa lobster, dipping sauce natin is ano, butter. So, lagyan natin ng lime ito kasi masarap ito siya, guys. So, pabayaan lang natin siya dyan para mag-melt. 80 something. Let me see first. Ooh. Ooh. Ang ganda naman. Ang sarap naman. Pagmukbang tayo mamaya, guys. Luto na po siya kasi ininit lang ni Tami. The problem is we don't have a cracker.
We don't have.
I think you did. You bring some, right? Dinala ko yung steak dito para naman para siyang surf and turf na pagkain. Look, guys. Parang Red Lobster talaga, guys. May steak. This is how it looks like. Look at this, guys. May ano pa na. Oh, parang wire.
It's our antenna.
Huh?
It's our antenna.
It's their antenna?
Yeah.
Seriously?
You feel everything. Like.
Oh my goodness. Ang sarap, guys. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango. So, ito na yung butter with lemon. Initin ko lang siya. And then, initin natin ulit yung rice ni Mister. Tapos na kaming kumain. Sabi pa ni Tami, mahal siya, pero mahal yung pagkain na yun. Pero ano, kapag kakainin mo na, grabe ka ano, na daming gagawin.
I know.
Hi guys! So, nagluluto po ako ng ano, ng budbud, suman, kasava, with latik. So, makikita nyo yan sa bukas na vlog. Yeah, makikita ninyo yan. Kasi taas na tong video ngayong araw, and sobrang taas na niya. So, kailangan ko siyang putulin.
So, whatever it is you're making, spend a lot of time.
Because it's real, look.
What is it? Is it a dessert? Is it a food?
Yeah, it's a cassava. It's good for breakfast with coffee. Oh my God. I cannot even do labi-dabi with your dada because you're like always jealous.
Your paws are all wet, kid. Your paws are all wet. All wet and soggy.
You leave him out there.
I don't let her stay up. I don't force her to come in. I don't leave her out there when she's ready to come in, though. Right? I let you in when you want to come in. What you gotta do is tell me.
They're waiting for their treats. Seriously? Oh my god. Like Dimples, look up on the heads and top. You're like, what are you doing over there? Han, look.
Look how happy, comfortable,
Look.
relaxed.
Habs! Anyway guys, we're going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do you enjoy the lobster?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, nag-enjoy kami sa lobster and I'm going to end the vlog. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And good night, love.
Hi, guys.
Nahugas na naman. Anyway, bye!